To add sites to your account, click the Set Up Account button, and then click Site Information. Here you will click Add Sites. Site name is a required field. Input the site that you want to add, and then fill in the rest of the information, including address, city, state, postal code, and description. Remember, sites are a larger area, including a building or an address. Click Done to add the site. To add more sites, simply click Add Sites, and then go through the process again. You can edit your sites at any time. Click the edit icon, make any edits that you need to your site information, and click Done to save the information. Clicking the information button there, you will get the description of the site. Once you have your site information filled out, you can then add a location. Simply click the Add Location button, choose your site, and then enter the location name. Here, I'm going to add a few locations that will be attached to the site that I chose. You can add as many locations as you want to your account. Once you have all your locations added, you can edit them at any time by clicking the edit icon. Here, make any necessary adjustments to your location and click Done to save the changes. You can filter by site by choosing the site of your choice. Here, I've added a couple more sites and multiple more locations, so you can see how you can attach one location to a specific site. When you have multiple sites, you will be able to choose the specific site that you want to have your location under.